I feel a storm. I feel a storm a brewing.
You feel a storm brewing?
I do. Hi everybody and welcome back to Backyard Bear Food Kitchen. Today we are making a Jerry Blue Bake, and that is a twice baked potato with some blue cheese crumbles and some horseradish cheddar cheese. Now I'm new to the horseradish cheddar cheese, and if you haven't had it, try it. It's really yummy. If you like horseradish, it's delicious. So the first thing we did is we baked some potatoes in the Instapot, super easy, and we scooped out the meat inside the potatoes, and we have it here in the bowl. And we're just going to go ahead and add the rest of the ingredients, which is the horseradish cheddar cheese. We got a little wind kicking in, so it cools us off. It was a nice warm day today, so the wind is not so bad. We got the blue cheese crumbles. Got some sour cream. A little bit of half and half to kind of loosen it up, and I'm just going to pour a little bit in to see how the mashed potatoes need it. They might not need all of it. Then we're going to add a little bit of cheddar cheese. I'm going to add about half of this. This is about a cup, so maybe about half a cup. And about a fourth of a cup to half a cup of bacon bits. Gotta have bacon. We're barbecuing. Gotta have bacon anyways, right? So then we're gonna go ahead, just mash this all together. Get it all mixed up. Almost like mashed potatoes, but just like that. Give it a little mix just to make sure everything is mixed in there. There you go, creamy yummy. And then we're just gonna go ahead and fill these up. And I like to pack them pretty full. How high do you think I could go? Look at that. Okay, then we're gonna add more bacon. More cheese. That looks amazing. It's so amazing. Look, if you like blue cheese and horseradish, you're gonna love this. Just like that. So we're gonna set the barbecued, it's a Traeger, for 350. We are gonna heat these for about 15 minutes, just until everything gets hot and melty. Top it with some scallions and eat up. Okay, let's check these out. Ooh. Jerry Blue Bakes. They look amazing. Woo! You can tell they're all soft and squishy and melty. That's a big fatty right there. Woo! We are cooking. Okay, let me just tell you, they smell amazing. The cheese is all melted. I can smell the blue cheese and the horseradish cheddar. I'm gonna top these inside when I go inside with a little bit of sour cream and some chives. Take a bite out of them. That one is mine, right there. That one's gonna be mine. Well, I hope you enjoy this recipe. Please subscribe to our channel, comment, like. We'd love to hear from you. Let me know if you enjoy these, and we'll see you next time.